how to connect the ITOUCH 24 to the Reflexology Stimulation Gloves. So the first thing you'll do, you'll take the cable, you'll connect it into the unit. Second thing you're then going to do is take the other side of the cable and connect it onto the gloves. So very importantly, I recommend you get yourself a bottle of sanitizer, the gel base. You're then going to put some sanitizer in your hands, making sure you're lubricating both your hands and your wrists, not rubbing them in. Right, you want to keep them well lubricated first. You're then going to put your hands into the gloves, and they are nice and stretchy, so they fit even the biggest of hands. The next thing you're going to do is choose your mode and then press plus on the unit. So there's two different ways of using it. You can either open your hand to feel the sensation in your hand. As you can see, it is pumping into my bicep and my forearm. But if I'm squeezing, it's strengthening my wrist as well as my elbows, and also doing a lot of active recovery in my arms. Highly recommended mode will be mode number 2, which is acupuncture. It's very good for circulation, arthritis, gout, any kind of joint pains, as well as stiffness.